Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Kusama coin. Today I have very important update for you, which is Kusama has broken out very important and strongest key resistance zone, and from here we can expect a very big move. So let's start the analysis, but before starting, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link to join me here in the video's description, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon. Now let's move to the live chart. First, let me to show you this chart. This is the Kusama with US dollar pair that I shared on 24th of June for my members at the Patreon, that Kusama had completed a very big harmonic bullish reversal shark move. And I told my members that from here, we can expect a very big move. I was expecting up to 285% move. And I also shared this chart with you as well. And you can see at that time, the Kusama was just entered the potential reversal zone or buying zone of this harmonic bullish reversal shark move. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the Kusama reversed bullish from this potential reversal zone, and so far it has produced more than 170% move. Now let's move to the live weekly time frame chart. And this was the falling wedge pattern. I told you that this is a huge falling wedge that Kusama has formed on the weekly time frame, and now we can expect a breakout. If you watch the exponential moving averages, this blue one is the EMA 10 and this red one is EMA 21, then you can see after a long time we have again received a bull cross between EMA 10 and EMA 21. The exponential moving average 10, the blue one, the smaller time frame moving average, has crossed up the bigger time frame moving average, that is EMA 21. Therefore, we are watching this big move right now, and this bull cross can help the price line from here to break out this very strong resistance of the falling wedge. Now, if I place the stochastic oscillator, which I was showing you in my previous video as well, then you can see that here we were just it was just about to give us bear cross. This blue line was moving down to form a bear cross, but now you can see again it has moved up and it is very strong bullish. And if we take a look at the directional movement index, then still this blue line, this positive directional index, is above this negative directional index. I'm still waiting for this ADX to move up, and you can see that it has moved sideways. Therefore, it can very soon it can start moving to the upside. If we take a look at the daily time frame, then ADX is up with the value of more than 35. Here you can watch the value that is more than 35. That is quite powerful value of directional movement index. And remember, right now it is showing the power of bulls, not bears. If we would have this orange line above this blue line and this ADX would be moving up, then it would be showing us the power of sellers or bears. Now let's move to this daily time frame chart. This is the chart that I want to show you in today's video. Here we can see that we had a very strong key level support zone, and the price action has been using this support again and again for the long time previously. And here the price action broke down this key support zone in the month of June 2021, and after a long time the price line broke out this previous support that was working as a resistance. After some rejections, the price action moved up and rejected by this very strong key level resistance zone. This key level support starts from $270 and goes to $300, and this key level resistance starts from $350 and goes to $380. And you can see that for the long time period, the price action after this breakout for several days, the price action has been moving between this key level support and resistance zone. And after some rejections and using this previous key level support zone as a support, the price action finally has broken out this resistance, the key level resistance zone that starts from $350 and goes to $380. Now today it was testing this previous key level support that was previously working as a resistance. Now it is working as a support, and it was moving down. If we switch to the 4-hourly time frame chart, then it can be easily seen that it moved down here, and for several hours it has been retesting this level, and now it is moving to the upside after a successful retest. That is the best confirmation for the breakout. However, the final confirmation would be when we will have the closing above these candlesticks. When we broke out, we had the rally up to $421. So we need the closing above this level, at least on the 4-hourly time frame chart. I would like to see the closing above this level on the daily time frame. And at the same time, if we take a look at the volume, here I have placed the volume indicator. You can see that we have the most powerful volume so far. If we even watch the previous history, recent history from Feb 2021 up till so far, we can see that this is the most powerful volume candle appeared on the daily time frame. And to measure the power of buying volume, I have also placed the volume oscillator here, and you can see that here the power of buying volume is, you can watch the value here, that is more than 33. So this is confirming, this is another confirmation that we have a very powerful buying support behind this breakout. Therefore, this breakout is so far quite confirmed. Just we need to watch the closing above this level. That will be the final confirmation, and then we can expect a next move to the upside that can even break out the final resistance as well. That is so far approximately at $600, the most highest price ever in the history of Kusama coin. So soon we are going to hit that level, and even going to break out that level as well, because after this breakout, there are strong chances that Kusama is now going to break out this resistance on the weekly time frame chart as well. And you can see that since after March 2021, the price line was not able to break out this resistance, and right now we can break out because the price line has broken out very important and strong key resistance zone with a powerful buying volume. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I've shared my link to join me here in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.